What if I told you, most people are actually damaging their car's paint every time they wash it? Yeah, using the wrong tools can leave micro scratches that slowly kill that glossy finish. So the real question is, are you cleaning your car the right way? Today we're breaking down the 5 best car cleaning kits that can take your car from dusty to showroom ready, fast. And trust me, a couple of these might surprise you. Links are in the description. Number 5, Chemical Guy's 14-piece car wash kit. Alright, let's kick things off with a kit that feels less like cleaning and more like a full detailing experience. The Chemical Guy's 14-piece kit is basically an all-in-one setup that gives you tools, chemicals, and that satisfying foam action, all in one box. The standout feature here is definitely the foam blaster, which connects to a regular hose, meaning you don't need a pressure washer to get that thick dirt-lifting foam. Compared to something like Armor All, this kit feels way more premium and hands-on. You also get a bucket with a dirt trap, which helps prevent grime from going back onto your mitt, huge for avoiding scratches. Now, it's not perfect, the foam isn't as thick as pro setups, and it's a bit pricey, but if you want a fun, immersive detailing experience at home, this kit easily beats most beginner options. Number 4, Armor All Premier Car Care Kit. Now, if you're someone who just wants to clean your car quickly without turning it into a full weekend project, the Armor All kit is built exactly for that. This is all about simplicity and affordability. You get the essentials, car wash, tire cleaner, glass cleaner, and everything is super easy to use. The tire foam is a standout because you literally spray it on and walk away, no scrubbing required. Compared to the Chemical Guy's kits, you're definitely losing that premium detailing feel and deeper cleaning ability, but you gain speed and convenience. The finish tends to be more glossy, which looks great at first but might not last as long as higher-end products. So if you're a beginner or just want something reliable for quick washes, this kit punches above its price. But for deeper cleaning or long-term care, the higher-ranked kits clearly offer more value. Number 3, Car Guy's Super Cleaner. Now this one flips the script a bit, and honestly, it's one of the most underrated products on this list. The Car Guy's Super Cleaner isn't a full kit, but what it does extremely well. This is an all-in-one interior cleaner that replaces multiple products with a single solution. Leather, fabric, plastic, carpet, it handles everything. Compared to Armor All, which can sometimes leave a shiny or greasy residue, this gives you a clean, factory-like finish that actually looks natural. It's especially powerful on tough stains, coffee spills, mud, pet mess. It cuts through all of it without damaging surfaces. The versatility here is what makes it stand out. While it doesn't help much with exterior cleaning, when it comes to interiors, it easily outperforms most traditional kits. If you care about keeping your cars inside looking fresh and new, this is a must-have. Number 2, Chemical Guy's 7-piece starter kit. Now we're getting into the sweet spot where performance meets practicality. The Chemical Guy's 7-piece starter kit is perfect for people who want professional level results without going overboard. Compared to the 14-piece version, this one is more focused and less overwhelming, making it ideal for regular use. You get high-quality car wash soap, a quick detailer for that instant shine boost, and dressings that protect your tires and trim. It's a noticeable step up from Armor All in terms of finish and durability, and it's far more complete than relying on a single product like Car Guy's. The quick detailer really stands out. It's perfect for keeping your car looking freshly washed even between cleanings. So if you want something balanced, not too basic, not too advanced, this is where most people will find the best value. Number 1, Chemical Guy's 7-piece car cleaning kit, best overall. And finally, the winner, the Chemical Guy's 7-piece car cleaning kit takes the top spot, and for good reason. This kit nails the balance between performance, ease of use, and consistent results. Unlike the bigger kits that can feel overwhelming, this one focuses on what actually matters: clean paint, spotless wheels, and a fresh interior. Compared to every other option on this list, it delivers the most reliable results across the board. The interior cleaner is especially impressive. It leaves surfaces clean without that artificial shine. The microfiber wash mitt is another highlight, super soft and safe on paint, helping reduce those micro scratches we talked about earlier. It may not include extras like buckets or foam guns, but if you already have the basics, this kit upgrades your entire routine. Simply put, it offers the best combination of value, performance, and ease.